Exercise 2.2 example 1 fifth example, that is r square minus 15. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, we get or r square is written, example is written as r square minus 0 into r minus 15 plus 0 into r. So a will be equal to 1 and b will be equal to 0 and c will be equal to minus 15. Now this r square minus 15 is written as, here are only two terms, no common term. So using identity a square minus b square. So this r square is written as r square minus 15 is written as square root of 15 square. So its factors are a plus b into a minus b. So it will be equal to r plus square root 15 and r minus square root 15. Now comparing with 0, the factors to get the 0, r plus root 15 will be equal to 0. So from this we get r is equal to minus root 15 and r minus root 15 is equal to 0 will be equal to r will be equal to square root of 15. Now zeros are square root 15 and minus square root 15. Now verification. Sum of zeros. Will be square root 15 plus minus square root 15 will be equal to 0. And the 0 is written as 0 by 1. So 0 is the coefficient of middle term. So it is minus b upon a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. So sum of zeros is minus b by a and product of zeros are square root 15 into minus square root 15. So it will be equal to minus square 15. This is the product of zeros, and minus 15 by 1 and minus 15 is c and 1 is a. So it is c by a. So it is the verification. Then sixth example, 3x square minus x minus 4. So is comparing with the standard form of polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. We get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1, the coefficient of middle term x, that is minus 1 and minus 1, and c is equal to minus 4, constant term is minus 4. Now a into c. So 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12. Minus 12. And these minus 12 factors of minus 12 are many factors are there, but we want only one pair, so that the sum should be -1. So 4 into 3, 12, but -4 and 3. These are the required factors of -12, so that their sum is -1. Now this 3x square minus x minus 4 is written as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x, splitting the middle term. Minus x is written as minus 4x plus 3x and minus 4 as it is. Now pairing this, here only x is common, so 3x, and from 4x x is common, so -4, plus no common, so 1, 3x minus 4, and we get 3x minus 4 is common, so 3x minus 4, from first x, remaining term is x, and from the second is 1. So these are the factors of the quadratic polynomial. Now to get zeros, equate them factors with zeros. So 3x minus 4 equal to 0 gives x is equal to 4 by 3, and x plus 1 is equal to 0 gives x is equal to -1. So zeros are 4 by 3 and -1. Now verification. Sum of zeros. 4 by 3 plus -1. So it is, denominator is 1. So 3 into 1, 3. Cross multiplication, 4 plus -3. And that is equal to 1 by 3. But the coefficient of middle term is -1. So rearrange this, minus of -1 upon 3. So -1 is b and 3 is c. This is minus b by c. Yes, minus b by, not c but a. Now product of zeros. 4 by 3 into -1. So it is -4 by 3. So -4 is c and 3 is a. So c by a. So sum of zeros is -b by a and product of zeros is c by a, hence verified.